To begin, place Posture Pump Disc Hydrator Back Model 2000 on a firm surface. In a seated position, slide the deflated exerciser against your lower back and buttocks. The black tubing will be to your right side. Now gently lean back over the deflated posture pump and find the position your doctor has recommended, or the one most comfortable and beneficial for you. In position 1, your buttocks should rest on top of the exerciser, with the lowest air cell just above the tailbone. In position 2, the most common position, your buttocks should hang off the edge of the exerciser. In position 3, place the unit in the upper portion of your lower and mid-back. While position 2 is the most popular, many people exercise their back using Model 2000 in all 3 positions. Now move the exerciser slightly up or down, or left or right, to locate the most centered and comfortable position for you. Lying on the exerciser with your knees bent and feet firmly on the ground, rock your pelvis up and back toward your belly button, using abdominal muscles to lift your buttocks. Next, rock downward using your back muscles, and allow your lower back to gently stretch over the air cells, lowering your buttocks toward the floor. Repeat this movement several times to conclude your warm-up routine. Never rock on the unit with the neck attachment inflated, if using both units together, and never inflate the exercisers to the point of pain. Now you're ready to inflate the unit. Grasp the 2 hand pumps. First, inflate the lowest air cell with your right hand, pumping to a firm, comfortable level, never to the point of pain, usually 1 to 5 complete pumps. Second, inflate the upper air cell with your left hand to an equally comfortable level, also usually 1 to 5 complete pumps. Third, squeeze both pumps at the same time, usually 1 to 3 more pumps. With your knees bent and feet firmly on the ground, rock your pelvis up and back toward your belly button, using your abdominal muscles to lift the buttocks. Then rock downward, using your back muscles, allowing the back to gently stretch over the air cells, lowering your buttocks toward the floor. Gently rock back and forth 3 to 5 times or more. Never inflate your exerciser to the point of pain. Now deflate the air cells by pushing down on both pump buttons at the same time. Repeat your inflation and rocking routine several times, leaving the exerciser inflated to a comfortable level on the last repetition. When your routine is over, relax on the inflated exerciser for 15 minutes. Gradually work up to this 15-minute goal by adding a few minutes to each training session. Finally, completely deflate both air cells. Gently bring your knees to your chest one at a time for 5 seconds each. Then bring both knees to your chest and hold for 5 seconds. Now roll off the unit and onto your left or right side, slowly and carefully before rising.